Yo, welcome back to another Soul Sanity sneaker review from your boy Spence. Today I'm going to be talking about a classic, 1993 classic. That is the Diamond Turf Ravens colorway. What's interesting about this is that the original Ravens colorway dropped in 1993, like I said, but he obviously hadn't played for the Ravens at that point. So this was an original colorway anyway, which is interesting because where did they get that? You know, what was the inspiration behind that? The same way they call it the 49ers colorway, but it's actually the Falcons. You know, interesting. But he obviously didn't go to the Ravens until 2004, which was obviously like a long time after. The shoe didn't get a release to the public again until 2010, and then now in 2025. So we're looking at 1993 to 2010, so 17 years, and then from 2010 to now 15 years. So over the last almost 40 years, the shoe has only been released 3 times. So this is definitely a classic. I don't know if I'm more excited for this colorway than the Emerald, but this is definitely was on my cop list, which is why I had to get them early. Shout out to, dang, it's the whole wrong shoe. Shout out to One Nest Boutique out of Kentucky. They got here super quick. Shout out to Jeremiah for sending me the link for these. So I've had these for a few days now, so just now being able to get the video out, obviously with Mother's Day passing and stuff like that. Just been a little busy, but classic colorway. Was definitely super excited to get these. They release on May 30th for retail price of $150. For those of you who are interested, I think they'll be pretty easy to get. I don't think anybody will have any trouble getting these. It seems like there is a higher stock count on these than there is for the white fire red colorway. I did go with the 10. These are a little bit snug. I can do my 9.5 that I have in the white ones, but I think the 10 is going to serve me better over time. This is a classic though. I'm super excited to have these. They returned in true retro form with the gold on the back, same as the white fire red, and then the Emerald will also be returning with the gold stitching, gold Nike Air, that gold butt. You feel me? Gold on the side too. Classic. Something about black and purple in this trainer style just it's got me. There's not even that much purple on the shoe, and it got me in a chokehold. I don't know what it is, but shout out Jeremiah, shout out One Nest. Classics, man. I'll do a little on foot. I'm not gonna promise that, but maybe later, because there's gonna be 2 videos for this, so we'll see. But it's that was really it. Like, this is really quick. There's not a whole lot of history with these. They released 3 times. They released 30 some years ago. You know, should be easy to get. May 30th, $150. Like, comment, subscribe. I got another video coming for you guys pretty soon. Mellow 12s this weekend if this video comes out before then. So I'll see you guys out on the next one. Hit that subscribe button for me, guys. We're at a total of 318 subscribers as of today. Last 30 days we've had about 20,000 views, so we're getting a lot of clicks, not a lot of subs though. I need that, y'all. We're already past our monetization goal for watch time. We have like 5,000 hours of watch time collectively on this channel, but we need to get that subscriber count up, and every single sub is appreciated. I'll see you guys on the next one. Love you.